often hear business people talk about not having enough money, and I get it. In fact, I know exactly how that happens. It's one of two things. Either you are making money and cannot hold on to it, or you're not making money but spending as though you've already made it. Either way, you're going to end up in the same boat. You're going to end up in the broke boat. Because in order to have money, you first have to make it, and then you have to keep it, protect it, and grow it. So if you are in business to make money so that it takes care of you now and in the future, you simply have to learn how to bring money in and how to spend money so that you can have more money. Imagine being able to understand how much it takes to run your business and to pay yourself. Know where, when, and how much to spend to get the results that you want. Know how to price your product and your service so that you are bringing in that money that you want to run your operations and to pay yourself. That is what businesses are made of. Successful businesses understand how to do that. If you want to understand how to do that, the Profit Keepers Academy should be a favorite for you because that is where I personally teach entrepreneurs and business owners how to run a successful operation so that they can get paid. Join the Profit Keepers Academy so you too can learn how to make money, keep it, grow it, and protect it. So you can stop working whenever you choose to, or you can keep working for as long as you're enjoying it. The point is, you will have a choice. You wouldn't have to work. You will choose to work. Nothing wrong with that. Hope to see you at the next Profit Keepers Academy training.